Hi guys, and happy holidays. Welcome to this episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So I always get requests from various community members about effective holiday centerpieces that are both cost effective and can take you from Christmas into a holiday party all the way into a New Year's party. So I came up with this wonderful centerpiece that you could actually get the pieces at the Dollar Tree. But don't worry, I always have links for those of you who don't have access to a Dollar Tree. So I'm so excited to show you this centerpiece, which can cost you under $15. Are y'all ready? Okay, let's get started with this episode of Golden Holiday Centerpiece. Okay guys, let's get to it. So you have a couple of options. So for this centerpiece, you can either use a 6-inch cylinder base or a 9-inch cylinder base, because I'm going to show you exactly how you can make a height difference with a little styrofoam disc. So we're using these flameless taper candles. I purchased all three of these pieces at the dollar store. Each of them, I believe, was $1.75 to $1.50 each. I've just added a little glue dot on the bottom of the flameless taper candle, and then I'm just placing it in the center of my cylinder base. It's really that simple. Next, we're using these 4-inch styrofoam discs that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree. Notice how I can either sit it on top or I can cut out the center and create difference in height that way also. So you have plenty of options. You can sit one of the vases on the cylinder disc directly, because you're going to be attaching your flowers to the actual styrofoam disc, or you can cut out the center so you can have height differentiation. Either way, you have options. Remember, we give you the plan and you make it your own. Well guys, how did we do? I absolutely love how it turned out. I can see this from a holiday dinner party to a festive New Year's Eve party to even a holiday wedding centerpiece. There are so many options you can have to use this. You can use one cylinder candle, or you can put two, as I did in this example, together to create a fuller centerpiece effect. All of these pieces, if purchased at the Dollar Tree, can cost under $15 per centerpiece. Don't worry, I've also given you options for those of you who don't have access to the dollar store, or in some cases, the supplies just run out. No worries, all the links to all of the supplies are always in our description right below. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And if we can help you with a question or just want to tell us what you thought, please drop a little note in our comment section. We love to hear from you. If you want to hang out with us some more, you can head on over to our Facebook, Twitter, otherwise known as X, Instagram, or our Pinterest page to hang out with us more. We have so many options on our Pinterest page. I really kind of love our Pinterest page, so check it out. In addition to that, if you want to get paid to shop, head down to our link to click on Rakuten and you can get paid to shop. It's free and easy. Well guys, our time is just about up. I want to wish everybody a very happy holiday season. If there is a project that we can help you with, by all means, go to our website, MissPlanet.com, click on the Project Request tab, follow the very simple steps. I always say, do it sooner than later. Our production schedule fills up so fast, and I absolutely hate telling anyone no. Well, until next time, always remember that when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Have a happy holiday season. Please take care of yourself. We will see you soon. God bless.